how to build a sales funnel with Wix. Hi guys, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to build a sales funnel with Wix. So let's begin right away. The very first step that you are going to do is to go to Google and look for ebooks such as fitness ebooks. You may also search on how to become a vegan, what are the things you need to get fit, and many more. Then, once you have searched that, make sure to open that website since we will be copying their link later on. And now, you may go back to Wix, but first, if you don't have an account on Wix, make sure to make a new one. So before we proceed, I will be explaining to you what are the things that we will be making today. So the first one is the landing page, the second one is the sales page, and then the third one is the affiliate page. So now, once you have made your Wix account, you may go to this home page and then simply click on the button right here on the upper left, which is the site's last open. And then click on Create New Site and wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, simply follow the steps that I will be giving you. First one is to click on Skip right here on the lower right corner and then click Skip once again since we will be making a site from scratch. Then click on Edit a Template instead of clicking on Start Now. Simply click on Blank Templates and then hit Edit on Start from Scratch. Simply wait for it to load once again. And then right here, we should make a site from a scratch. So Wix sometimes add a page right here or adds a picture, so you need to delete it. And then just simply wait, just like this one. Wix added a photo or a shop right here, even though we don't want it to. So to delete that, you just simply go to the pages section right here and then go to store pages and then click on the three dots on shop and click on delete. Click on delete once again and then you should wait for it. And then right here, what you're going to do is to add a form. So you may go to menus and pages. So here's forms. And then what you're going to do is to search for a template of forms. You may go to registration, donation, feedback, whichever you want. So I'll be adding this one and then make sure to resize it so that it will fit your desired size of your site. And then now change this one into enter your information to receive news from us. Just like that one. So this is basically our first stage, or this is the landing page. So they will input their first name, their last name, their email, their phone number. They may also choose, you may actually delete this one if you want to, and then also this one. So those things are just optional. You may edit them if you want to. Then for the next page, we're going to do is click on add and then let's click on add page and then click on blank page. Once you're here, simply go to add right here and search for image. You need to look for images that are, let's say, for example, related to your sales funnel. So you may go to stock images right here and then search for one. So fitness. Do take note that there are images that are to be paid, but there are also images for free, like this one. And then resize it so that it will fit your desired size of your page. And then right now, you may add shapes and text. For example, this one. Let's go to decorate and add some like this one. Shape right here. And then type in how this changed my life. How did these books? So you may do that. You may type in that one. For demonstration purposes, I will not edit it anymore. So if you are a pro editor, you may change the font and etc. Then you may also add another box for button. So this one, you may click on read more. For example, this one, just add it here. Then you may also change the text to click here or more, just like that one. You may add an inspirational image right, I mean, an inspirational text right here, but I will not be doing that anymore. So right here on the button, what you're going to do is to add a link. So to do that, simply click on the button and then click on the link right here and click on new window. And then you may also go to web address right here and then copy the link and paste it here. You may choose new window or current window, but I'll be choosing new window. Click on done. And then what this basically do is that when your customers will click on this button, it will redirect them to this website. Then now you may click on save and then exit the website. So let's just exit this one, exit editor and wait for it to load. So what we're going to do now is to make an automation. So to do that, just simply go to your site. Yeah, this one. And then go to automations and click on new automation. And you may choose Wix Forms, send an email. So basically, what we're going to do here is remember when we have a landing page, they will input their contact information. So we will make an automation which will be an automatic response to their information or their email. So let's say, for example, um, automatic email. So Wix Forms, send an email, and then you may edit this if you want to, but I will not be editing it anymore. You may also edit this, the customize your sender details. So basically, again, when they input their contact information on the landing page, this email will be sent to their email. So like this one. So you need to edit it if you want to. So it will include thanks for getting in touch, and then so on. Once you're done, simply click on the activate button right here and then wait for it to load. And then it is done. And then that's pretty much it. So that's how you can build a sales funnel on Wix. So if you have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comment box below and make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So that's it. See you in the next video.